Hilton New Orleans Riverside, the city's largest hotel, is a skyscraper hotel that is 29 stories tall and contains 1,700 rooms. Hilton Riverside is close to everything and is within walking distance to the French Quarter, the aquarium, the streetcar lines, and Caesars Casino. Thank you for dropping into the channel and joining me for this video. My check-in experience at Hilton Riverside was fabulous. I received complimentary early check-in at a time when I really needed it. Thank you, Hilton. My room designation was on the ground floor of Building B, so I didn't get a room with much of a view. However, I didn't have to walk any long corridors or take a bunch of elevator rides during my stay. My room was nice and close to everything that the property and the city had to offer, and it saved a lot of time and energy. This room is the same layout as the 2 Queen Riverview room on the website, only it's minus the river view. The room was extremely clean, and the 2 queen-size pillow top mattresses were very comfy. There is a workstation that comes with a back-healthy ergonomic desk chair. There is also a landline, stationery, and a QR code for room service. There is also an in-room coffee maker that features delicious PJ's coffee and some breakfast tea. And in the wastebasket below the workstation, there is a section for your recyclables. At the bedside, there are electrical outlets and charging ports, and a clock radio with a wireless charging station. There are additional power outlets to the side of the TV. The TV wasn't Netflix or gamer ready, but it had plenty of cable channels. Below the TV is where you'll find complimentary bottles of water and a mini fridge for your own personal use. As I mentioned earlier, this room had no view to speak of, but it came with a fabulous blue couch. In the closet is where you'll find your safe, iron, and ironing board. The bathroom comes with a decent shower tub combo. And the vanity area comes with a modest amount of counter space. After checking into my room, I was starving and ready for lunch. Fortunately for me, Hilton Riverside is the location of the highly acclaimed Drago seafood restaurant. Drago's offers an extensive menu of seafood-focused New Orleans cuisine, both traditional and modern, yet the char-broiled oysters are the main attraction. The oysters are doused in a garlic herb butter that excites the flames that sets the oysters simmering in their shells. That results in a perfectly cooked oyster nestled in a shell of rich buttery sauce. And I paired those oysters up with a barbecue shrimp bowl. The barbecue shrimp bowl comes with peeled Gulf shrimp in a zesty Creole-style barbecue sauce served with new potatoes and French bread. The shrimp was large and succulent, and the potatoes and the French bread definitely complemented that zesty sauce. It was definitely an amazing and satisfying lunch. I had no trouble getting a table, and the service was very good. And just a heads up, if you charge your meal to your room, Hilton offers you a $10 a day food credit. Hilton Riverside is a large property and has a lot to offer. Let's take a look around. On the first floor, there is the concierge desk and spirits, an in-house cocktail lounge offering New Orleans-style samplings and a wide range of cocktails, beer, wine, and other spirits. There is also Bourbon Jazz offering souvenirs, t-shirts, sundries, and snacks. Also on the first floor is Le Croissant, a breakfast buffet that is open every day from 6:30 a.m. until 11 a.m. On the second floor, there is a FedEx Business Center if you need to take care of some business. Next, here is River Blends Cafe. Here you can order a quick breakfast or order a handcrafted coffee drink made with Starbucks coffee. They also have a wide selection of beverages and grab-and-go items. The second floor is also where you'll find the bell desk and hotel registration. You go up this short escalator to get to the walkway that leads to buildings B and C and the walkway to Riverwalk outlets. Riverwalk Outlets is a real shopping mall that features name brand chain outlet stores, with a few shops that offer some local flavor and some food options as well. If you go all the way to the end of Riverwalk Outlets, there is a food court, one of the best places to score some cheap eats in the Big Easy. At the time of this recording, the pool area was closed, but I can show you the fitness center. To get to the fitness center, follow the signage all the way to the parking garage elevators. Once you get to the parking garage elevators, go to the 6th floor to get to the Health Club by Hilton. This fitness center features state-of-the-art cardio and strength training equipment and 7 indoor tennis courts, volleyball courts, table tennis, 3 regulation racquetball courts, basketball court, 6 indoor pickleball courts, and 3 squash courts. Thank you so much for watching. You can show support for this content by hitting the Super Thanks button located right below the screen. You can also buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Tap one of these boxes up here for more New Orleans content. Tap that center icon to subscribe, and you will receive notifications on future videos.